Coming up. Here we are at the London Bike Show. Gorgeous 916 SP. Such an iconic shape. RD350 LC. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Slabby Gixxer 750. Gorgeous. The old Z1. Very, very pretty. Beautiful original R1 right next door to the original 1992 Fireblade in that classic blue, white and red. Let's have a look around the Ducati stand. The Monster SP. The Monster SP 111 brake horsepower there. Could be a competitor to the Hornet. Panigale V4S. Onto the Yamaha stand and straight away you see the R3. And the R7. And the R9. The one they're all talking about. Is it going to be any good? Or is it going to be a disappointment? Who knows? XSR 900. Wander over to the MV stand. See what's going on here. Obviously them changing hands. Now not owned by KTM. And CF Moto also part of that group. Brutal. Gorgeous bits of kit. Then on to KTM. Possibly the last time you'll see them at a bike show. Disappointing they've got all their bikes roped off. It was never really a popular bike when they first come out, but take you back now, didn't they? Another TRX. I was saying about how rare they are, and there's two straight away. Oh, look at that.
Yes.
Petronas. And there's that CBR1000rr still in the crate.
2007.
Ducati Senna. Beautiful.
doesn't have medical this one. It doesn't have medical. No, it's and he weighs one.
CB1100R there, bang next door to the RG500 Gamma. Beautiful. Quack KZ1000. Original gold wing. '98 blade. RSV mill next to the R80 BMW and a Skull Gixxer 750 next to the Sheene Tribute RG500. Big old Harris over there.
1947 for you, the 1983, the Honda CB1100RD for you now.
Remember the old GTS 1000 with the up-centre steering on the front there? Rare bike nowadays. Gixxer 400. They were everywhere, weren't they? As was the ZXR 400. Again, rarity nowadays. Foggy replica 916. Next door to a 996. Laverda SFC replica, gorgeous. Bimota YB4.
7,000. Not yours online. Here on the telephone. Justin's telephone leads. Against you, David. Against you online.
Next to an RG500.
75. It's 7.
Very pretty MV Augusta.
78. Sign off.
350 GT. Can't beat an RC30.
$22,000. Your machine, 22,000. 1120.
Nice little stand here, Michele Piro's GP16 Ducati. The 03 Desmosidici. Look at those twin exit exhausts. Sette Gibernau's 06 Desmosidici, and that's got to be Dovi's bike. The Vizioso 04 GP 2013 De Vizioso. Beautiful. The legend that is Ali Milliard, chatting with some fans there, and his Norton build, if you're following. Crazy. Nice Gixxer slabby up on the Henry Cole stand. I'm going to say something controversial now. I can't stand Henry Cole. I literally cannot watch the motorbike show. He just aggravates me. Just talks. I mean, I chat rubbish, but that's just next level, isn't it? If it was the Alan Milliard show, 100% I'd watch it, but can't watch it with that donut. Nice original gull wing. Pretty. Very pretty. Speed triple there. Do you remember them? Blimey. Big old beasts, weren't they? $1994. So this is actually the 955 that Tom Cruise rode in Mission Impossible 2. One of the first films I had on DVD. Complete with bullet holes. You'd think the pegs would be higher. Otherwise Tom Cruise wouldn't be able to reach them. Head on over to the Suzuki stand. And straight away see the brand new Hayabusa. Now they haven't even got the Gixxer 1000. What does their new big sports bike look like? Doesn't look like anything, does it? A ZX10 as we saw at the NEC. And the new Bimota. Now owned by Kawasaki. And Kawasaki basically have become Bimota for World Superbike. KB Kawasaki Bimota 998. It's a bit special that, isn't it? Using a ZX10R engine. A completely new Bimota chassis.
Well, that's the London Bike Show for you. Thank you very much for watching. Ride safe, take care, see you soon.
Next time on Retro Superbikes.